Experience all your favorite live TV, apps, and streaming content conveniently in one place with eTV on Apple TV 4K. Effortlessly navigate the eTV app from your Apple TV home screen and access a wide array of shows and films from various content providers seamlessly. Our eTV packages, powered by EE's ultra-reliable broadband, include a Now membership for Sky channels, along with Netflix, TNT Sports, Apple TV+, Discovery+, Eurosport, free-to-air channels, and much more. It's everything you need, precisely where you want it. Key features: all TV in one place. Access the latest shows, movies, live TV, and sports from your favorite streaming apps, all consolidated in one place. 4K picture quality. Enjoy vivid picture quality with 4K Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Cinema-like sound. Immerse yourself in three-dimensional, theater-like sound with spatial audio and Dolby Atmos. A15 Bionic chip. Benefit from incredible power and performance with the A15 Bionic chip. Apple TV+. Enjoy award-winning Apple original series and films. Additional Apple services. Access photos, Apple Fitness+, Apple Music, and Apple Arcade for a versatile entertainment experience. eTV Remote for Apple TV 4K. Enhance your viewing experience with a unique eTV remote designed for Apple TV 4K. This bespoke remote features a touch-enabled click pad and buttons, plus voice search capabilities, allowing you to find shows and films effortlessly. Quickly access content from Apple TV+, Apple Music, and YouTube with just one click. Everything you need for an elevated TV experience. With eTV on Apple TV 4K, enjoy a more comprehensive and integrated television experience, bringing more to your TV than ever before.